I will be so surprised if I don't break down tonight at some point. Choke off. We'll get terrorised onto the island at breakneck speed. So, I've had the bright idea. Let's try that with less noise. I've had the bright idea of going to Bassetts Pole on the monkey bike. Yeah, gotta meet Pete first. And then I think I'm going to try and put some petrol in, because you never know how much is in this. So wiping across you? Probably. Not dodgy setup. Sit on the bank. I can hear him. I can hear Pete's bike. Here he comes across the car park. Straight through. Bike's a bit big, ain't he? It's a mini bike meeting tonight. That sounds good, doesn't it?
Yeah,
First time I heard you coming in the road, I thought, that's Pete.
You know, and it just sounds
proper,
yeah.
Deep in it.
Yeah.
It's real nice sound.
Yeah.
I want these.
Move that on the back.
I was because the stand's down, I forgot it won't start with the stand down.
Yeah, that's right.
My horn will start, but it won't go into gear with the stand down.
Yeah. There's been a few for sale just lately, either.
Yeah.
Yeah, there has.
I'm going to keep it for a couple of years and I'm going to try and get a Honda Grom then.
Oh, well, yeah.
Like the Grom.
I used to like them. I do, I like them.
But yeah, man. I think I've got a top speed of about 50 mile an hour, so you'll have to bear with me.
No, man, it's the same when you're a big boy.
And the speed, I don't know what I'm doing. So if I'm speeding, slow me down. Let's go.
We'll have to get some pictures up tonight.
Yeah. I've got my Midlands Riders sticker on. Good fit there, isn't he?
Yeah, it's a good iPhone. I want one of them Viper ones as well.
Yeah. Oh shit. 125 live. That exhaust sounds bleeding awesome on that. Room for a pass. Please don't cut out, bike. Please don't cut out like last time. Please don't cut out. Oh. I forgot to say, can we stop in there and get petrol?
Yeah.
The exhaust feels mighty hot on the back of my leg. I don't trust the fuel. Ow! Top box, leg. Woohoo! Try to take about £3. 4 litres. That wire is going to be a pain in the ass today, ain't it? Oh, I nearly wheelied again.
out of that.
Am I?
Yeah, man, I'm behind you doing 58, 59, no problem.
Oh, sound. If you didn't hear him then, apparently I'm getting nearly 60 out of this. Oh, fuck. Whee! Is this the same recovery truck I pulled up next to last week? Actually, no, what? I'm not on the big bike now, but I'm not. I had him off the line, did I?
I've seen them pictures I was looking at. You'd see him say.
Yeah, it was nice, man. I'll be alright on the way back, it's downhill. But he spits uphill. She might seize by the time we get there. I don't know whether to down change. I feel bad for Pete. He's the one stuck behind me. Slipping out of me. Oh man. How the bike didn't blow up then. I don't know how many miles that road is, but that was the longest that many miles ever. I can hear Pete's exhaust, man. Wakey wakey. I'm looking for someone who can lock the bike too. That's all. Yeah, and someone to lock it too. And someone to lock it too.
Oh dear, I know. I'll tell you what, you know, you are more far off 60.
Struggles up the hills, Debbie.
Yeah, just a bit up. Still smack on 50 though.
Was it 50 coming up there?
Yeah.
Feels like 40, I'm like, fucking hell. Perfect, didn't he?
Aye.
Perfect, didn't he?
Yeah.
I knew I should have bought the longer one. Just about. I put a disc lock on the big bike, but you can't carry the big bike away. Oh, I've expected it to blow up. I thought it was going to bang, this is. Well, last time we went down that stretch of road from Shire Road to the Shell Texaco garage.
Yeah.
Got to the lights there, the island there, cut out. I'm sick of carrying my lid around.
I should bring one of them ones now. I've got some thinner ones of them, then wire ones.
Yeah. Shit. Clang!
Hey, clang.
Lock it on this one if you want. It's long enough.
did that last time, you know. I was fucking rear peg down. And I was going down the road and I've caught something, so I've stretched my leg out like from being bent. Just to give it where do you want it?
See if it'll go. I've got 300 sets of keys because I've got so many bloody locks for stuff.
That multicoloured one that's been on there, it looks like a rainbow. It's, some of them are unreal. Unreal.
The orange frame one?
Yeah.
That started off the identical bike to that. Everything about it was exactly the same.
Yeah.
It started off. Cheers. Cheers, thank you. I was just going to get a milkshake. But I get this thing the wife calls burger Tourettes. When I get to the front and go to order something small, I can't stop naming burgers and end up with loads of food. I smell burning rubber. Oh, you know what that is? Oh no, sorry, I thought the rubber on that was touching the exhaust, but it ain't. It ain't caught fire, it must be alright. Mind ya, probably somebody's done a burnout somewhere and then it's in the air a bit. Let's open up my lunchbox. You gotta be nuts, say you come here on a Tuesday night in the car. I hadn't been here 10 minutes last time when the cop car was coming round.
Yeah, no, it's on now.
Thing is, they don't mind as long as you ain't dicking around.
Yeah.
You could feel this rock solid with bikes as long as nobody was dicking. Because you ain't in no houses, so they're bothered about noise.
Yeah. Oh, it's yummy as well.
That's nice, isn't it? I like that.
Yeah, it's a lovely colour, isn't it?
There's a guy at work, rides one, comes to work on it. Because I'm worried about bikes. The watch?
The mirrors underneath.
Oh yeah. See, I worry about bikes in our car park at work, but the guy's riding to work on a 15 plate one of these, it can't be that bad.
No, we'll go over here.
Yeah. That's nice and quiet. I bought this when I was into track days in the cars, because that's what everyone at track days team was using.
Yeah.
But had I known then what I know now, I wouldn't have bought the GoPro. If I was going to spunk that much money, I'd have bought the Drift.
Yeah.
But realistically, like them and the SJ Cam, they're a better bloody camera for the money. Right. They might not be a better camera overall, but for the money, they're a better camera. So like you got the Wi-Fi on this, awesome Wi-Fi connection, does loads of stuff, but it sucks the battery flat in about an hour.
Oh, right.
So it ain't worth using.
No, that's not good. So did that case get back to you about that, the cows?
Well, because I've done a video and I started video blogging for YouTube.
I it was on a video,
and we'd seen you in the video in the background. She said, "Oh, what couch is that? And what do you think of it?" I said, "I'll ask him." Nice, isn't he?
Yeah. You're gonna show that?
Oh. Watch out, Calamity Jane's here.
Ditch van and get a bike then. That's nice, that isn't it?
What was that?
Mountain bad bikes. Ditch van and get a bike then.
That Merc?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's come to Bassetts Pole on bike night. Space blink and miss it.
It's unfair, then he's gone into this massive cube. He's just said to him, go through the drive for.
Can't fit, it's too tall, eh?
Big girl, what's that big girl there?
This?
Yeah. Oh, it's a tracer. It's a yummy tracer.
It's big, isn't it?
Yeah, it's massive.
Looks the wheels look tiny though. That picture there, his boot like must be jammed and she's helping him out in the boot. But you need pull me and I'll pull the boot. It's like a cartoon skit, eh? There's a competition over there, you got to guess how many footballs are in the car. The wheels on that there, that crack. ZX9, shine on them rims.
Somebody spent some time on it.
It's time to clean them though, eh? Keep them clean.
Yeah, it does. Yeah. Right. How you doing?
You're alright, man. That's me. You're alright. You must be Dan.
Yeah.
You're alright.
I thought it was you too.
Yeah, he's top, because you do a bit. So, are you alright?
Yeah.
What's the worst part is, because Pete's helmet and my helmet are chained together.
Yeah.
So people must look at that thing. 2 people come on that. Well, it's legal for pillion. Actually, it'd be alright if you've got 2 lightweight people on there, because he's only weighed the same as me anyway.
Yeah.
I asked Steve if he wanted to come today as well. Steve with the blue phaser coming up last time.
Yeah, yeah, Fletcher.
I said, are you coming? He says, no, I'm in Lanzarote. Listen to that.
That's what it's chokes on?
Yeah, it does a bit actually. I was going to put a smaller number plate on that thing,
Yeah.
but I thought for comedy value I'll leave the big one on, because it looks massive.
Absolutely. I've got a big smile on my face following you. It's brilliant.
There's police all over the place.
Is that?
Apparently.
All the entry roads like?
More like. I didn't see anyone then off.
No, we don't.
It's like a replay first after this.
Groms, that's what I want for Groms. Fine.
I've got the
rest of it?
I'm doing one up at home,
Oh,
right? I've got the CF70
yeah.
Honda.
The Honda's original, that's just a Chinese copy.
Yeah, it's good though.
Yeah. They copied everything down to the T, like the only thing they didn't do as well was the quality of the materials.
But they spec money, don't they?
Yeah, the Hondas do, the proper Hondas, yeah.
Yeah,
You can buy them brand new straight off the boat for £1,000 registered.
yeah. I like that though.
Yeah, so it's nice.
I can ride that round, nice to worry about it, because it ain't worth a lot. Like a Honda's a nice classic bike.
Yeah.
That's just a piece of shit.
I've got it. No, it's a nice bike, mate. Aren't you happy?
It's a
You
good
passed
laugh.
your test, didn't you?
Yeah, yeah.
Like me.
I've got a 600 Hornet I use
Yeah.
normally, like, but
Yeah. But why? People laugh at me when I buy these little shit things. Like they say they're shit,
yeah.
and I say, I'm happy. Leave me alone, mate.
I do literally have more fun on that sometimes than my big bike.
I bet you smile to yourself.
Grin like an idiot, yeah.
Hey?
Grin like an idiot on it.
Yeah. Well, you'll see me up here on this little list. When I get it done.
Yeah, need to, man.
Is this one of yours now?
Yes.
That's his, huh?
So I've got to do T175, the old aircool.
Yeah, yeah.
One of them.
Right.
Fully done up. It is. But I was going to buy DT 125R. And these are great, these aren't they?
Yeah, they are.
These lovely
Great
bikes.
fun. Great fun. Yeah.
Great bike.
WR any day, yeah.
Yeah, reliable. 4 straight.
Yeah. Spot on.
VFR.
All that is.
They're nice, they are, aren't they?
I want a VFR next.
Reliable.
Yeah.
Mega reliable. Do you rev your bike like that?
Now kill it.
I like that though.
TL1. Rare.
You know. It is nice. We'll be able to get panniers on with them exhaust though, which is very easy. That's where I struggle with my Hornet. Yes.
I like that.
I don't think it would.
Okay then.
That was like £3 in Tesco. I thought I'd go have that. Well, we did the Matlock protest ride in March, and there was I got surrounded by them. I was in the queue, and I got surrounded by them.
Honestly,
Yeah, I got surrounded. There must have been about 30 of the guys on these, and I got surrounded.
model or there's all sorts of models.
All sorts. You got the Gorilla replica, the Monkey replica, the Dax replicas, the C90s, and that. They all surrounded me. Yeah, and I'm looking around. I'm on my Hornet. I'm like that. I want one of these. And literally a week later, I bought this, and I bought this from the guy who actually took this to the Matlock ride. I love that bike. Yeah, follow me again?
Yeah.
Termite. Hey?
Going 828.
Yeah, going out that way.
Yeah, I'll probably head off now,
Hey?
I'll probably head back now.
Oh, okay, mate. I think waiting for Danny's going to follow us as well.
Yeah, that's
He's just getting his gear on. Here he comes. Huh? Yeah, drums get off here. Ready? Good? Oh, fucking hell. Cool, Kenny. I'm going to nail everybody off these lights. Wheelie again, I think.
Tryna catch me riding dirty, tryna catch me riding dirty, tryna catch me riding dirty.
Man, it wheelied. I'm going to have to put some bricks on the front. Well, that was a good night, that was. Good Bassetts pole. Helped I got a lot of people there tonight that I knew. Last time I didn't know anyone, nobody was there. Ah! We're alright downhill. Lean forward. Quick shift. Only would have made that. Come on, I don't like this, fuck all there. Yeah, mate. I fucking ripped it. I can't keep up for shit. Here, Pete. Huh? Weird. That was a weird feeling. Right, I'm signing off, guys. See you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.